In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add new users to HubSpot, a task that may sound daunting but is actually quite simple once you break it down. First, let's navigate to User Management. Begin by clicking the Settings icon, easily recognizable as the gear symbol, right at the top of your navigation bar. Once you're there, glance over to the left sidebar, where you'll find the option labeled Users and Teams. Give that a click, and you're on the right track. Next, we're going to create the user or users you want to add. You'll see a Create User button situated in the upper right corner. Click on that, and a few options are going to open up for you. For adding users one by one, simply enter their email addresses into the field provided. You can hit Return or use a comma to enter multiple emails effortlessly. If you're handling a larger number of users, take advantage of the bulk import feature. Just prepare an Excel sheet with an email column, which can include details for up to 100 users per file, and import that directly. Alternatively, if you're already using integrated systems like Salesforce or NetSuite, you can import users directly from there, streamlining the entire process. After you've set up who's joining, let's assign access rights. Something that becomes particularly important with HubSpot's seat-based pricing model, which has been in place since March 2024. You'll need to assign the appropriate seat type to each user. When it comes to permissions, you have a few routes to consider. You can simply use the seat defaults if they fit the bill, or if you need to hand over more control, make the user a super admin. If you're operating with some specific needs in mind, you might start from a role-based template or even customize permissions from scratch for the utmost personalization. Once you've squared away all the details with seats and permissions, it's time to review and confirm. Double-check that everything looks right, and if these users already have HubSpot access from somewhere else, you can opt out from sending a welcome email by unchecking that particular option. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Create User to finalize the process. After the user creation, there might be a few additional touches you'd like to add. Directly send out invite links if that's necessary for your workflow. Assigning users to teams could considerably tidy up your organizational structure. And for those on professional and enterprise plans, don't forget to employ presets or save custom permission sets to streamline future additions. And there you have it. Adding new users to HubSpot is as simple as that. With these clear, step-by-step instructions, you're ready to go. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this has made your HubSpot experience just that little bit easier.